Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be reviewing TubeRushr, a video creation software that's been getting a lot of buzz lately. I've been using it for a few weeks now, and I'm really impressed with what it can do. What is TubeRushr? TubeRushr is a cloud-based video creation software that makes it easy to create professional-looking videos without any prior experience. It has a drag-and-drop interface that's super user-friendly, and it comes with a library of stock videos, images, and music that you can use to create your videos. How does it work? To create a video with TubeRushr, you just start by choosing a template. There are templates for all sorts of different types of videos, including product reviews, tutorial videos, and explainer videos. Once you've chosen a template, you can start adding your own content. You can add text, images, videos, and music to your videos. You can also customize the colors, fonts, and layouts of your videos. Is it any good? I think TubeRushr is a great video creation software. It's easy to use, it has a lot of features, and it comes with a library of high-quality stock content. I've created some really great videos with TubeRushr, and I think you will too. What are the pros and cons? Here are some of the pros and cons of TubeRushr. Pros: easy to use, a wide variety of features, a library of high-quality stock content, affordable. Cons: the free plan is limited. The premium plans can be expensive. Should you use it? If you're looking for an easy-to-use video creation software that comes with a lot of features, then I think TubeRushr is a great option. However, if you're on a tight budget, then you might want to consider a different software. Recommendation: if you're looking for a video creation software that's both easy to use and powerful, then I highly recommend Pictory Ai. Pictory Ai is a cloud-based video creation software that uses artificial intelligence to help you create professional-looking videos in minutes. With Pictory Ai, you can choose from a variety of templates and then add your own content, such as text, images, and videos. Pictory Ai will then automatically generate a video that's tailored to your specific needs. I've used Pictory Ai to create a number of videos, and I've been really impressed with the results. The videos are always high quality, and they're always delivered on time. If you're looking for a video creation software that can help you save time and produce high-quality videos, then I highly recommend Pictory Ai. This video was also made by Pictory Ai. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And if you're interested in learning more about TubeRushr or Pictory Ai, then be sure to check out the links in the description. Thanks again for watching.